Did you know a Brazilian wax can harm your skin? Many think it's just painful, but it's more complex. Today we will uncover the hidden dangers of Brazilian waxing. Welcome back to MTH Health. We are your resource for skin safety. Today we delve into a waxing technique some salons use to speed up treatments. This method is becoming common, but might not suit all skin types. In many salons, larger wax strips are employed. While this speeds up the process, it stresses sensitive skin. This can result in temporary redness, irritation, or heightened sensitivity. Each skin reacts differently, so caution is key. The wax temperature significantly impacts the experience. If not tested, the wrong temperature can cause discomfort. Trained estheticians match temperature based on skin type and area. This ensures the waxing process remains as safe as possible. Signs that your skin needs extra attention include prolonged redness or unusual sensitivity. Mild irritation may follow, but these reactions signal your skin needs a break. It's crucial to listen to your skin's cues. A professional should maintain proper hygiene and technique. They should work in small sections and avoid reusing applicators. Gentler wax types, like hard wax, should be used on sensitive areas. Remember, long-term skin health matters most. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about safe practices. Always prefer trained professionals who choose care over speed. Have you experienced a waxing session that felt off? Share your story in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to MTH Health for more wellness insights.